Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap North Highlands local and long-distance movers near me. If you need to move across the country or just to the next state over, we've got you covered. Our long-distance movers will help ensure your belongings arrive safely and at the scheduled time. We make moving simple, and you won't have to do the heavy lifting. When you work with us, we give you access to all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. When you choose a local California moving company, you're choosing the right help for your needs. Even if you're just moving a few miles up the road, saving time can be very beneficial. With our help, you'll save time, but you will also avoid doing any of the heavy lifting. We take care of it all. A top local moving company like 3 Movers provides you with just what you need. We give you a streamlined process to ensure your move is done much faster. When a move would take you a few days to complete, we can get it done in the afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our North Highlands moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.